Hi, I'm Dr. Henry Mentz, and I'd like to welcome you into our clinic. For 3 decades, I've worked to improve patients' facial appearance and help them through their journey in plastic surgery. My goal is to create natural and refreshed results. So let me walk you through this journey with us. Your journey begins with an in-depth consultation. So you'll meet our patient coordinators and you'll meet me that day. We'll spend a lot of time discovering what your goals are and sorting out the process for your recovery. We use 3D vector imaging to examine how you're going to look before and after and adjust those based on your goals. This allows us to create a realistic view of what your goals are, and we can work together to achieve those goals. My goal is to be sure we're aligned every step of the way. I like to call my incisions whispering incisions. They hide within the ear and end up in the hairline. There's no need to shave the area with my technique. There will be numbness, which is normal. A small percentage of patients may experience some hair loss. If you have thin hair and are concerned with thinning, we can recommend supplements such as Nutrafol or other hair growth supplements. The stitches are removed in 2 stages. If a brow lift is involved, the screws will be removed at your secondary follow-up visit. I like to use 2 drains on facelifts behind the ear. These drains will reduce bruising and help collect the fluid underneath. Usually we take them out on the 2nd, 3rd, or 4th day, but they come out easily, they're not stitched in, and we usually remove them on that first post-op visit. It's important that we achieve natural results, and part of this is balancing the rejuvenation from forehead to neck. And sometimes we blend these procedures: brow lift, upper lid blepharoplasty, lower lid blepharoplasty, facial rejuvenation, neck lifting, fat grafting, and lasering in order to improve and polish the results. When patients have a facelift that's too tight with old appearing skin, it looks very obvious. So it helps when we blend these procedures, and that gives us a nice, uniform, harmonious appearance. Sometimes we're able to add other procedures like breast surgery and body surgery. Usually I don't like to combine tummy tucks. However, breast lifts and arm surgeries are quite easy and can be done at the same time. This allows a reduced number of days of recovery rather than 2 surgeries. It's a single surgery. It might add 2 or 3 days of recovery to the single surgery. But that's a great benefit for patients who are working and patients who don't have much time to take off.
You just had your consultation. Now these are the next steps in preparing for your procedure. There's a couple factors to consider. 1, when are you wanting to have surgery? 2, a support system. 3, are you a candidate for medical clearance? 4, ordering the AquaCool machine. And then also financing. How are you looking to pay for the procedure? These are all things that the patient coordinators here with Dr. Mentz can help take care of. The importance of medical clearance is to make sure that each patient here at ACPS is ready for surgery. Medical clearance includes either having an EKG for anyone that is 50 years or older. If you're a patient that is diabetic or takes blood pressure medication, you will need blood work and a medical clearance letter from your prescribing doctor. During your consultation, Dr. Mentz may also recommend multiple different procedures. This is because every single consultation is personalized and tailored to you individually. Sometimes in combination with a facelift, Dr. Mentz likes to add fat grafting for all over facial rebalancing. Also, he may talk about an upper or lower blepharoplasty, which is the upper eyelid and lower eyelid skin removal. Also, sun damage. We live here in Houston and there is a lot of sun damage in a lot of people's skin. So he may recommend a type of laser, such as a CO2 ultra pulse laser for all over skin rejuvenation for the face, neck, and chest. A saying here at ACPS is healthy skin heals the fastest. So even before your surgery, we like to have you take a walk over to our med spa and maybe meet with one of our medical aesthetics professionals. Dr. Mentz and our team will come up with a tailored pre and post-surgical treatment. So it's not really just a one and done procedure here. We like to extend the longevity of your results.
Once we've set your surgery date, we'll meet again for your preoperative appointment. This is an important step, and we'll review your surgical plan in detail and go over any final questions and complete the necessary consents. We'll also discuss your personalized recovery plan so that you'll know exactly what to expect after your surgery. My team and I are here to ensure that you are fully prepared and at ease. On the day of surgery, you'll arrive at our private, state-of-the-art surgical facility. My team and I are dedicated to creating a calm and supportive environment where you'll feel cared for every step of the way. You'll also meet with one of our board-certified anesthesiologists, and during your facelift, I'll use advanced techniques to ensure natural-looking results while minimizing scarring and enhancing your overall facial harmony. This is a meticulous process, and I take great pride in delivering results that you'll love for years to come. The healing process is just as important as the surgery itself. In the days and weeks following your procedure, my team and I will be with you every step of the way. Swelling and bruising are part of the natural recovery process, and these will gradually subside.
The recovery process varies from patient to patient. 2 to 4 days after surgery, if patients have neck bolsters, they'll need to be removed by the medical assistant. After that, we'll see you 5 to 7 days post-op to remove first week sutures and drains. Then we will see you at week 2 to remove all final sutures. And if a brow lift has been done, we'll remove screws as well. After week 2, when your final sutures have been removed, we'll see you 6 to 8 weeks post-op. This is where we will take your first post-op photos.
My goal is to make your recovery as smooth and comfortable as possible while guiding you toward your final results. There's value in using medical-grade skincare, including Alastin skincare sets. It's extremely important to have a caregiver in place prior to your surgery. So that person should be there at your side for the first 3 days, 24 hours a day. They'll need to be giving you medicine, feeding you, helping you in and out of bed, and cleaning your incisions. We will provide someone to come to your house and help clean the incisions and help instruction. And Nadia, of course, is going to give you instruction too by phone and by virtual. It's important that you have your house cleaned and the pets be gone. If you generally sleep with pets in your bedroom, my recommendation is to sleep in the guest bedroom and have the pets out of the house. Be sure there are no smokers in the house as well, and that'll keep your incisions clean and you'll heal more beautifully. The first week is the most important. So be sure to sleep with your head elevated above your heart so that the swelling goes down. Have a low salt or no salt diet, and fruity is better than savory. So fruit cups, yogurt, smoothies, that's the best diet that you can have. Keep relatively still. If your heart rate goes above 70 or 80, you're going to bruise a little bit more. So stay at rest and let your caregiver take care of you. In order to prevent bruising and hematoma, it's important to stay at rest, keep your head above your heart, and no straining, no heavy lifting, and no sex. Just take it easy. Light cardio and elevating your heart can be resumed at 3 weeks after surgery, and for high intensity workouts, I generally recommend 6 weeks. Take it easy, listen to your body, and ease back into your routine. Choosing to have a facelift is a deeply personal decision, and I'm honored to be a part of this journey with you. From our first consultation to your final follow-up, my team and I are here to support you, prioritize your safety, and ensure that you achieve the refreshed, youthful look you've envisioned. Thank you for trusting me to help you look and feel your very best, and I look forward to seeing you in our clinic.